Welcome to Jamaica.
327, local line on 007, wind 70 degrees.
JetBlue 132. One, thanks for the out.
Continuing approach from the 07, wind 080 degrees, 7 knots.
Alright, continuing approach to runway 7, JetBlue 221.
Blue 1327, arrive 35, vacate via taxi Bravo, say the gate.
We're going to gate 12.
Blue 1327, roger, taxi Alpha Echo, gate 12, monitor ground, 12 underscore 7 wind clear.
Echo to gate 12, monitor ground, point 7, JetBlue 1327.
JetBlue 221, clear to line runway 07, wind 090 degrees, 17 knots.
Runway 7, JetBlue 221.
Blue 221, arrive 40, vacate via taxi Bravo, say the gate.
We're going to gate 15 for JetBlue 221.
Blue 221, roger, taxi Alpha Echo Foxtrot, gate 15, monitor ground, 12 decimal 7 wind clear.
Echo Foxtrot, gate 15, monitor ground, point 7, wind clear, JetBlue 221.
Montego Bay Tower, good evening. Uchiba Tango 4159er, final runway 07 RMP.
West 01. Continue approach on runway 07.
Uchiba Tango 4159er.
Clear to line runway 07, wind 0.
To land runway 07 and can you confirm again the wind please? Wind check.
080 degrees, 14 knots.
Tower 420 Golf video on our left downwind 07, descending to 5,000 feet.
This is thanks for Tower Roger. Continue final runway 07. Wind 090 degrees, wind 3 knots.
Final 07, Golf.
Man arrives at 03, vacate on Alpha. When clear, contact ground 121, decimal 7.
Alpha, and when clear the runway, contact ground 1217, in the blue 415, thank you.
What, me alright? There, man, you good? Alright.
Zero Whiskey, wind 090 degrees, 17 knots. Clear to land runway 07. Charlie, continue to final runway 07. Arrive 32, vacate high speed, contact ground 1217.
Speed ground 217, Southwest 1906.
00, line up on runway 07.
0, line up runway 07.
0 clear for takeoff, runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 15 knots.
Golf Delta 1800. Our American 2059 on the RMP runway 7.
Thanks for Tower Roger, continue approach runway 07.
Approach runway 7, American 2059.
Clear to land runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 15 knots.
Clear to land, runway 07, American 2059.
00 airborne 38, contact radar 120.8, good day.
0.8, good day, Delta 1800.
043 behind the landing, American Boeing 737, short final, runway 07, line up and wait behind.
We'll line up wait after American 1043.
Clear 59 arrived at 41, vacate Alpha, when clear contact ground 1217.
Alpha ground, 0.7, American 2059.
Southwest 1115 inbound RMP 07 approach.
1115, thanks, third tower, roger. Continue approach runway 07, reduce approach speed to minimum.
1115, reduce to approach speed. Continue for 07.
West 1043, wind 060 degrees, 14 knots. Clear for takeoff, runway 07.
Tower Caribbean Airlines 033, ready.
33, thanks, third tower, roger. 33, thanks. And 033, line up and wait, runway 07.
Line up and wait, runway 07, Caribbean 033.
Airborne 43, contact radar 120.8, good day.
Wait, Southwest 1043, have a good day.
1115, continue releasing Boeing 737.
Continue Southwest 1115.
Airline 033, wind 060 degrees, 13 knots, clear for takeoff, runway 7.
Clear takeoff 07, coming in 033.
6, thanks, third tower, continue approach runway 07, traffic air following is a Boeing 737, 3 miles final. 1115, clear to land runway 07, wind 050 degrees, 13 knots.
1115, clear to land, runway 7.
Airborne 45, contact radar 120.8, good day.
033, good job. Southwest Scorpion 12 Victor.
112 Victor, thanks, third tower.
Scorpion 12 Victor at military base. Request number vertical, easterly departure for flight time.
12 Victor, roger, cleared vertical easterly departure. Wind 050 degrees, 14 knots, QNH 1014, remain south and clear off the runway and extended center line.
14, remain south and clear of the runway and extended center line, Scorpion 12 Victor, call next airborne.
1115, arrived at 46, vacate Bravo, contact ground 1217.
Ground Southwest 1115.
036, clear to land runway 07, wind 050 degrees, 13 knots.
7 from that, 036. So, Scorpion 12 Victor, airborne.
Scorpion 12 Victor, roger. Niner 4, thanks for your car. Are you ready for departure?
We are, Jeffrey 1194.
4, roger. Line up and wait, runway 07.
On a point 07, Jeffrey 1194.
Victor, airborne at 47, contact radar 120.8.
20.8, Scorpion 12 Victor.
36, arrive 49, vacate Alpha. And clear, contact the ground 1217.
Alpha, ground 1217.
Niner 4, clear for takeoff, runway 07, wind 050 degrees, 14 knots.
Takeoff runway 07, JetBlue 1194.
Blue 1194, airborne 51, contact radar 120.8. Clear.
20.8. Good day, JetBlue 1194.